Hey y'all, it's Brother Nick, Austin, Texas. Headed home, checking out this awesome sky. Check this out. Kind of crazy looking. I ain't doing nothing to the sky. That's just the way it looks. Pretty wild, huh? Got some stuff going on over here. Looks like something flew right through there. This big old bubble popped out. Never seen that before. My camera doesn't want to move the way it's supposed to. Anyway, beautiful day, Austin, Texas. 33 degrees last night. Got some waves back there. Waves. That's crazy waves. Anyway, thought I'd make this little short video. Have a great day. God bless you. Brother Nick, Austin, Texas. Another crazy sky. Peace.